सदा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, Javin Dr. L.K. Sharma, Professor Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. Today our topic is National Commission for Minorities. Constitution of the National Commission for Minorities. The central government shall constitute a body to be known as National Commission for Minorities to exercise the power conferred on and to perform the function assigned to it under this Act. The commission shall consist of 4 chairperson, vice chairperson, and 5 members to be nominated by the central government from among the person of eminence, ability, and integrity, provided that the 5 members, including the chairperson, shall be from amongst the minorities community. Term of office and condition of service of chairperson and members. The chairperson and every member shall hold office for a term of 3 years from that date he assumes office. The chairperson or member may be in writing under his hand addresses to the central government resign from the office of the chairperson as the case may be of the member at any time. The central government shall remove a person from the office of the chairperson or a member referred in subsection 2 if the person becomes an undischarged insolvent, is convicted and sentenced to imprisonment for an offence which in the opinion of the central government involves a moral turpitude, becomes of unsound mind and stands so declared by a competent court, refuses to act or become incapable of acting without obtaining leave of absence from the commission, absent from 3 consecutive meetings of the commission. In the opinion of the central government, so abused the position of the chairperson or member as to render that person continuance in office detrimental to the interest of the minorities or the public interest, provided that no person shall be removed under this clause until the person has been given reasonable opportunity of being heard in the matter. The vacancy caused under subclause section 2 of otherwise shall be filled by the fresh nomination. The salaries and allowances payable to the terms and conditions of service of the chairperson and member shall be such as may be prescribed. Functions of the commission. The commission shall perform all or any of the following functions, namely evaluate the progress of development of minorities under the union and states, monitor the working of the safeguards provided in the constitution and laws enacted by the parliament and the state legislature, make a recommendation for the effective implementation of safeguards for the protection of the interests of the minorities by the central government and the state government, look into the specific complaint regarding deprivation of rights and safeguards of the minorities and take up such matters with appropriate authority, cause studies to be undertaken into the problem arising out of any discrimination against minorities and recommended measures for their removal, cause studies to be undertaken in the problem arising out of any discrimination against minorities and recommended measures for the removal, conduct studies, research and analysis on the issues relating to the socio-economic and educational development of minorities, suggest appropriate measures in respect of any minorities to undertaken by the central government or the state government, make a periodical and special reports to the central government on any matter pertaining to the minorities and in particular difficulties confronted by them. In any other matter which referred to the central government, the central government shall cause the recommendation referred to the in clause C of subsection, where any recommendation referred to clause C of subsection 1 or any part thereof which any state government is concerned, the commission shall forward a copy of such recommendation or a part to such state who shall cause it to be laid before the legislature or the state along with a memorandum explaining the action taken or proposed to be taken on the recommendation relating to the state and reasons for the non-acceptance if any of such recommendation or a part. The commission, while performing any functions of mentioned in subclause A, B, and D of subsection 1, have all powers of civil court trying to a suit and in a particular in respect of the following matters, namely summoning or enforcing the attendance of any person from any part of India and examining him on oath, requiring the discovery and production of any document, receiving evidences on affidavits, requisition any public record or copy, issuing commission for the examination of witness and documents, and any other matter which may be prescribed. This is all about the National Commission for Minorities. If you facing any problem, then write a comment on a comment box. Thank you.